We have a severe weather threat for today on this Thursday, April the 24th. This does include the Denver area. It's the first time this season that in the Denver area we have somewhat of a notable severe weather risk, but it's going to depend on one thing. How much sunshine we're able to get this morning is going to be the key part of our forecast. The more sun you've got, the more it destabilizes the atmosphere. Sunshine, obviously it's warm, I don't need to tell you that, but warmer air, basic physics, can hold more moisture. So the warmer it gets, the more moisture you're able to get in the atmosphere. And for us here in dry Colorado, that is usually our lacking ingredient is moisture. We have wind shear today, changing in wind speed and direction with heights that allows storms to kind of rotate and sustain themselves over a long period. So we have that. We're still a little questioning how much instability we've got, how much moisture, how much energy we've got. So again, the more of this, the more sunshine we've got this morning, the stronger those storms will be. And right now, I'm recording this at 7:05 a.m. on this Thursday morning. It's sunny here in Denver, which I wouldn't say is ominous, but that does mean that potential for large hail and damaging winds is going to be in place. So let's time it out for you. Between noon and 3 p.m., that's when our first initial wave of storms develops. This will start likely for us in the south side of the Denver metro area, Dougco, Elbert County, southern Jeffco. That's where we'll see those storms develop similar to yesterday. Then those storms will drift north. The initial wave looks a bit on the weaker side. Eastern Plains, that's where we could see some of those stronger storms with that initial wave, but for the most part, that threat will be a little bit tamed. It's that second wave, a cold front will move through. That gives us a natural area of lift, and so that'll mean rapidly rising air, and that condenses in the precipitation. Point being, that second wave looks to be the stronger one that moves through between about 4 and 8 p.m. late this afternoon and tonight. Again, a lot of them will depend on how much sun we get and how much of that energy we use up with that initial wave of storms as well. So a lot of conditional threats, but I think today's a good day to have the car underneath the garage or carport, just in case. Most of you will probably not see hail, but you will have that threat for some hail in the Denver metro area, and that threat will be higher on the south and east sides of the metro area, but everybody will have at least somewhat of a risk today. Damaging winds and even a few isolated tornadoes possible on the eastern plains. I'll keep you posted with the latest.